Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 508. This is the 08 style apartment on the top floor of this 5-floor building. Let's head on in. We'll see the kitchen to our right. The 2 doors to the left are first the bathroom and then the closet. We'll take a peek at those in a sec. So in the kitchen you can see we have the refrigerator, the sink, there's a microwave, a stove, oven, there's some cabinets and drawers. That's the same standard setup we have in our kitchens in the studios in this building. Over here is the bathroom. I like this bathroom because it has the nice vanity that extends over the toilet, so it does give you a little more counter space in here. The same other bathroom items that you've seen in the other apartments and bathrooms. We'll take a quick peek in the closet. So this closet is through the kitchen here, and then we'll come around into the main part of the apartment. So we're on the top floor here. This is definitely one of the best views that we have from any studio apartment in Collegetown Court. So we'll have the same furnishings set, the full-size bed, there's a dresser, there's a desk and chair, a bookshelf, and a dining table and chair. Let's go on in and take a look, and we'll also go see that view. So this apartment does have the second window. This is the only style of studio apartment here in Collegetown Court that has 2 windows. You can find this extra window on floors 3, 4, and 5. We're facing to the west. We are right in the heart of Collegetown, so you do get some buildings. We're behind some of the buildings on College Avenue here on Dryden Road, but it's very bright. We get a ton of natural light. And again, this is a nice view for here in central Collegetown. Let's take a look around again at the layout of the apartment. You can have so many different ways to arrange the furniture in this apartment in particular. You can put the bed over where the bookshelf is. So lots of options in here. This is a great studio apartment on the 5th floor. The layout is the same on floors 3, 4, and 5 with a second window. And on floor 2, you just have the one large window. So that's Collegetown Court. We're in a 08 style studio apartment. We're in number 508. We're here at 208 Dryden Road, just 1 block from campus.